Excellent. So by now you've picked your niches, you've nailed your core values and your mission, you know which locations you're helping serve your buyers and your sellers. Now is the fun part. Like, we've already created those initial videos. Now we just get to go out there and do our business and document some of the things that we're doing. And one reason that reality shows on TLC and HGTV, one of the reasons those are really blown up over the past decade is because people are interested in what people do for work. And your business is no different. People are really interested in what you do for a business. People love to see homes. People love to explore their area. And they would love to follow you doing that. Okay, so one thing that you can do, I'm going to give you a few tips actually on what you can do on the weekly, the daily basis, just with your cell phone. That device, you're probably watching this video right now, what you can do with your cell phone to continually stay in front of your prospects, in front of your community, to add value and build relationship and build connection, build trust, and build honesty with them, just through regular content, showing them what you're already doing in business, okay? So there's a couple different things I want you to do. I want you to write down on a piece of paper right now, weekly and then monthly. And I want you to create these monthly and weekly content pillars. And this isn't hard. This is literally less than 30 minutes a week is all it's going to take you, and less than 30 minutes a month for the monthly. Okay, so this isn't hard. This is a couple hours a month is all. Every single person watching this has a couple hours a month. And if you don't, you're going to have a lot more time in 2 years to do whatever you want to do, because you're probably going to be out of business. So I don't want you to be out of business. We're going to help you guys stay in business. Okay, so on the weekly basis, that weekly cadence is just what I call on-the-job content. That's stuff where you're answering questions that people commonly have about that type of property, that area. You're addressing objections that you see come up quite a bit. You might be showing some interesting stuff, because people like to see fun, interesting stuff when they're scrolling down Facebook or looking on Instagram or YouTube. And you need to show some action. People want to see interesting things that are moving. And I'm not just talking about you just like moving around the camera. I'm talking about one time you're in the car doing it, another time you're out there at a property with a client, another time you're sitting in your office. So move locations, because it's interesting, and people are going to start to really look forward to your videos and look forward to your content coming out. So on the weekly basis, once again, it's on-the-job stuff. I'm out at a river home, and I keep on using this example because it's such a good one. But what are the questions or objections that pop up with someone who's looking to buy a home on the river? It's probably not going to be a cheap house, so there's a big financial stake there. So you have to look at, okay, well, shoot, I know river homes so well. The water situation is always something that trips people up, and most people who have never bought a river home never know what to do. So I'm going to do a few videos on what you need to do with water and water rights, and how do I get my drinking water, and are you going to use a filtration system, or is there a well? All those are critical things. If you're the one doing that content, I'm going to work with you because you're the expert, and I don't want to lose a ton of money buying a river home with Aunt Betty, who just became a real estate agent last week. Interesting stuff. There could be an amazing home on the river that's got this killer pool, or that has this way cool, retaining wall or something like that. Take out the camera and say, hey, this is Mark. I'm out at a river home in the North Umpqua River. I just want to show you this pool. It's an amazing pool. Look at the view that it has. And Look at all the possibilities you can have with a home on the river. What that's doing is that's building desire for that type of property that they're already wanting, but they're building desire for it. And you're the person that's helping them build that. Or there's action, once again. You can be taking them on a little tour of different homes in the river and put all those little things out in little 3, 5, 10-minute, probably max videos, okay? Then on the monthly side of things, stand in front of a camera just like this, or take out your phone, whatever you want to do, and do some sort of a report. Because reports are something that builds expertise. The other ones are fun, they build expertise as well, but the report is something they can look forward to this same content piece each month. Every single month, I get an email from this company that's a real estate investment company, and it shows the market snapshot and the market report and what's happening right now. I open that one every single month because I want to know what's going on. I want to get ahead of the curve. I want to get ahead of what's happening. Your buyers and sellers are no different. If there's a seller out there that's looking to sell, they want to know, should I be selling right now? Is it too late to sell? Is it too soon to sell? Is it good time to sell? Whatever it is, your monthly report should be addressing that, okay? If I'm a buyer, I want to know, is right now the time to buy? Like, should I be buying a property? Should I wait to get a better deal? Are there good deals coming up? Is the right time to buy? Are financing programs drying up? Did new ones be added? This is where you can really do that with your monthly reports really well. What is a monthly report? It should be an under 10-minute video, ideally. And the reason I'm saying video is because anyone can do a written report. Anyone can just send an email that says, here's a bunch of market stats. All the other real estate agents in your market are already doing that. You don't win the market by doing what everyone else is doing. You win the market by being you and going out there and building brand, building trust, and building credibility, and showing that you're the expert. So you could send out an email with a bunch of words, but I would send out a video. put it on your Carrot website as a video post. So you take your YouTube video, you put in that URL, our system goes out and yanks out all the words, makes a blog post for you. So now you can send people to that from Facebook and from YouTube to the actual full official monthly report with your video, with the written words below it, and a call to action to connect with you, okay? So some other things you can do: get market stats, get ups and downs in the market. Is it right time to sell? Is it the right time to buy? What's happening with loan programs? What events are coming up in the community? So if part of your niches are based on families or certain segments of the community, let's say you're focused on retirees. Awesome, in my monthly report, I'm gonna go through the report with the frame, with the lens of how a retiree would be looking at the real estate market and what they would care about. And then at the end, I'm going to say, hey, and here's some really cool events happening this next month in Roseburg. Here's these 6 things, these cool concerts, and X. If you want to check out more events, just go to our website at blah.com/events. There's a whole list of events for retirees and for people who love wine and who love wine country just like me. Okay, so now I'm not only delivering information, I'm also delivering things to do, and they're going to love you for that. So figure out your weekly cadence, your monthly report, and this is total a couple hours a month, y'all. All you have to do is put in a couple hours a month. That's less than 1 full day a year, 1 full day a year to stay in front of your prospects, to build trust, to build honesty, to build credibility. People are going to notice you in town. They're going to say, hey, you're the guy or you're the gal that keeps on putting out that great stuff. Thank you for doing that. They're going to tell other people about you, and your business is going to grow and get momentum in the next 6, 12, 18 months. All right? So go execute the full plan. Don't get lazy on us, okay? Don't get lazy on us. Execute the full plan, and then be diligent with it. And you're going to see some really good momentum happening after that. Last tip, make sure every video you do, you upload to YouTube, you upload to Facebook, and then you upload it to video posts on your Carrot website to turn that into written words. So now you not only have Facebook, YouTube, you're also going to have Google organic results as another thing to help you get more traffic, build more credibility, and to build your business.